Burr.
Burr?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little cool.
It feels like winter fall now.
Yeah. Well, it's been blowing, but there's quite a bit of leaves down, but not the crazy amount. So I guess the bulk of them are all down. There's a few left.
Well, it just depends on which tree you look at. All right, Morris has come now. I don't see Stripe yet. Morrison's been sneaking up on the front porch and going in the heated doghouse. So I got to get the doghouse that's underneath the tarp up there going. Because I can't be having him scaring Panther and Gray. You ready to move to your spot, Mr. Man? Let's move you to your spot. That's a good place to keep you out of the way for a minute, but let's move you. Come on, bud. There you go. Good morning, buddy. Still no Stripey this morning. Well, he went off and caught his own breakfast. He wouldn't come a-running for me, so we'll see. It's going to be gusty on our walk this morning. I am meeting Michelle for shopping. Well, we're out here. We got out here right after I was done feeding the kitties, so I can go meet Michelle on time. It's not as windy as I thought, and we're not bundled up too much. We got on long sleeves, 2 layers, but no coat. It's pretty nice. It could be sunnier. Could be sunnier. The birds are chirping. We're watching what Nicole is doing down in Florida. So the earth moving equipment, which you can't presently see, is basically just the other side of a couple of those tall trees. So I don't know. I'm waiting for those tall trees to get knocked down too. We'll see. They've left virtually no trees on the entire lot now, so if those trees are on their property, I'm sure they're coming down. You can see the equipment through there. Maybe he just spun around. Again, I would like to see that buffer of trees left. We'll see. Poor Rosa, she showed up at the track right when we were exiting our 3rd lap. I explained that we were, that I was meeting Michelle today, and we just really can't have to stay on schedule on Thursdays. So she understood, of course, but I would like to have walked a lap or 2 with her, and it just didn't work out today. Michelle's here waiting on me. I had to deal with a UPS driver that thought it was a good idea to back down our entire driveway. He almost went into the creek because he didn't turn enough at the bottom of the hill. I was like, oh my God, he's going to go into the creek. Oh my gosh. I did politely let him know that although it's his choice to come down the driveway as he likes, that it really is okay to turn around up top, and I told him how to do the 3-point turn. Oh, yeah, but he was a nice, young, good-looking kid. He was a little confused. Oh, that's not a bad deal, and a TV for $10. Somebody gave up their entire Avon fancy bottle cologne collection. Santa, you are not allowed to sleep until 12:26. There's 2 vintage prints here that were apparently paired with each other. Mort Kunstler is the artist. I know there's a 3rd one too. 4th one? No, just 3. I like the 1st one. Believe. Home sweet home. Leave your cares at the door and worry about them no more. I think it's possible this book belongs at your house. Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. It's a really cool cover. Don and I do not need this. No. This is cute, but it's all crackled. It's not good. Mother of the Bride vintage. Michelle says it's real rabbit fur. I've got a Star Wars find today.
Very unusual.
Wow. What cosplay can you guys use that for?
And it's silk too.
Oh, it's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, very satin feeling. We're taking one more pass around the store just to see if there's any additional cuteness that's been put out while we were walking. Only on your car, Michelle.
That's right.
It was another great shopping week, it was. So we had Harry Potter Loungefly today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've seen this one time before, right? It's very cute, very cute.
I had another purse that I just bought. It's Hedwig with his cage.
Oh,
purse.
okay.
But it was kind of bulky, and so I had.
You switched, okay. Well, we're gonna need to see that though, girl.
It's so cute.
All right, you have a good week.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye. So we found out that the nice lady that works behind the jewelry counter did have COVID, and she was back today, but she was headed back home. She thought she was feeling well enough to be back and really wasn't. And well, at least Michelle and I got to say hello because we really missed her when she wasn't there last week. And she had found an origami owl locket for me. She knows I collect those. A teardrop shaped one too, no less, not just a round plain one. So that was nice. We were glad to see her for a minute. We had a full cart. We had a good time. We had a ton of stuff. It was very Christmas festive. We briefly went next door to Little Angel on the way out, and they had a brand new Tesla Model 3 Hot Wheels Midnight Silver Metallic, which of course I picked up, and they had $1 on it. You know, they're like, what, 94 cents at Walmart and $1.08 at Target. So the card was not in super great shape, so I'll definitely give that one away to one of the kids at some event, versus keeping for my personal collection. But at any point, that was the first Tesla seen at Walmart. And no, I don't think it was one I gave away, but I couldn't, you know, rule it out. But most likely probably not. I haven't given too many away in Fuquay proper. Johnny and I took a walk to the mailbox, and look what's waiting on them. Well, he actually was, they email you now to let you know that you're accepted. But there's supposed to be a lot of additional information in the packet. So we were talking ECU and working through, he has to submit an additional essay to the College of Engineering, because once you get accepted to ECU, you have to do something else to get accepted to engineering. So we're trying to get that sorted out. And look at Mr. Man, he walked with us a little bit. And so far I don't see Stripe, which is probably for the best. Hey bud, hi.